In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy a direct link to a cell and share it. If you've ever wanted to point a teammate to an exact spot in a table, spreadsheet, or notebook, linking directly to a single cell is the fastest way to do it. It saves everyone time and removes any guesswork. I'll walk you through the process, explain what each action does, and share a few simple tips so you feel confident using it right away. Start by locating the cell you want to reference. Make sure it's the exact one you intend to share, since the link you create will jump straight to this cell. Now right-click that cell to open its context menu. If you're using a trackpad, a two-finger click works the same way. On some keyboards, you can also press Ctrl while you click, or use the menu key. The goal is just to open the options associated with that cell. In the menu that appears, look for an option labeled View More Cell Actions. This is a submenu that groups extra tools you don't see at first glance. Hover over or click it, then choose Get Link to this cell. Depending on your screen size, this may sit under an overflow icon, often shown as 3 dots. Selecting Get Link to this cell tells the app to create a direct pointer to the exact cell you selected. As soon as you click it, the link is automatically copied to your clipboard. Think of the clipboard as a temporary holding space your system uses for copying and pasting. You might see a small confirmation pop up. If you don't, that's okay. The link is still there unless the app tells you otherwise. If the option is grayed out, it usually means you need edit or share permission for that content. So check your access level. From here, simply paste the link wherever you need it. You can drop it into another cell to cross-reference data, place it in a document for context, or include it in an email to guide someone straight to the right spot. Use your normal paste method, Ctrl+V on Windows, CMD+V on Mac OS, or right-click and choose Paste. If your destination supports rich links, it may display a friendly title. Otherwise, you'll see the full URL, which still works the same. That's all there is to it. Right-click the target cell, open View More Cell Actions, choose Get Link to this cell, and paste the copied link where it's most useful. With this simple workflow, you make collaboration faster and keep everyone perfectly aligned.